Hey, it's Anissa, and we have an amazing deal on this folding lap desk. Now, folding lap desks are great for working on, doing homework, eating, crafting, so many different things. And this is a great one for both kids and adults. But what sets this one apart from others is all the features. First, it's got a 4-port USB hub. Now, when you use the included cord and plug it into your laptop, you can use these hubs to power a mouse, a keyboard, or other USB accessories for your computer. Now, what's really cool, you're not just getting this lap desk. Included are 2 really cool accessories. First, you get a USB light, and then if it's hot, plug in the fan and you're gonna cool off instantly. One thing I noticed when you're positioning the fan to where you want it, it can go off and on, so you just might need to fill with it to keep it on. Now, the tray at the top is great for holding tablets up to 10 inches, so you can use an iPad or an Android tablet, but you can even use it for your phones. And then you're gonna love the cup holder to prevent spills. Now, this is a foldable lap desk. The legs fold in, so it makes it easy to store. You can store it under a bed, under a couch. But what sets this one apart is the quality of the legs. They fold easily, and it makes it for a very sturdy desk. Another thing that's great is you can use this in 3 different ways: a traditional lap desk, a sitting desk, or as a standing desk. Now, lap desk prices are all over the place, but one with all these features and as high quality as this can run you up to $50, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. In fact, our price is so good, I can't even say it online. So head on over to Pulse TV, learn more about this, and grab one today.